What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Bert Collins and I'm back with another video, back with another banger, back with another unboxing. If you're new to the channel, please make sure you hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that notification bell so you can stay tapped in with the channel, bro. Subscribers lit, the subscribers are going up, the fam is going up, bro. We really squatting up, man. I think we're at like 230. So if you're new to the channel, if you just subscribed to the channel, I really appreciate you for tapping in with me. I will keep this as short as possible. I'm not here to waste your time. But look, if you are new to the channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. We are on our goal to 400 subscribers. If we hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year, I will do a giveaway. All right, so we're gonna get into this box though, man. Now I know if you're tapped in with sneakers, then you know Nike had some restocks about a week and a half ago, 2 weeks ago. I think they had like 2 or 3 restocks. Some Dunks, some Jordan 1s, a whole lot of stuff, man. I was able to tap in and cop a pair of shoes. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you. The first shoe I was going for was the Jordan 1 Seafoams, bro. That shoe manages to keep escaping me. They've restocked it and they've restocked it and they've restocked it, and I just cannot get my hand on that shoe. So I went for that shoe. And by the way, Nike box right here, I'm opening it up. I went for that shoe, and for some reason, Nike pulled up one of my old credit cards. I clicked the wrong credit card. It went through, denied. So on that second attempt to get back in, I went for a whole different shoe because that other shoe had pretty much sold out. The Seafoam had sold out. So I ended up, if you can't tell by the box, then stay tuned. All right, the sticker reads Air Jordan 1, Retro, High, OG, Black, Brown. What's that say? Archaeo? Black and Archaeo Brown. Size 10, bro. You guys know the vibes, man. That's my size. So let's see what Nike did for me. This is a very dope box, man. You got that burgundy. You got that a little bit of that regular Nike. And then you got green, and you got the stitched markings. The Jordan 1 Craft, man. The Jordan 1 Craft. Let's open up the box. Inside of the box, let me show you. Go ahead and show you the inside of the box. Got a Nike stamp. Looks like you got some numbers in red. And then it says swoosh at the bottom. You got the brown Nike paper. Now I know a lot of you guys have seen this shoe already, but I just got it in my collection, and so I'm super excited to unbox it. That's that Jordan 1 Craft, man. Let's go ahead and get into the box. Jordan 1 Craft, man. Now, like I said, I was going for the Seafoams, and I just wasn't able to get my hands on these. This is the first time I've seen this shoe in hand. I've seen a lot of pictures, and I've heard a lot of YouTubers say that this shoe is underrated. So let's look at the shoe real quick. Let's see if I can get it. So if you come around and you're looking at the Jordan Wings logo, it is leather. It is stitched in. That's something different. You don't see that a lot on Jordans. Right here, we got a 3M hit right here. This is 3M. So you get that reflective kind of look going to it. You come down, looks like a white midsole. Bottom, black soles. The Nike comes in a suede leather. The Nike sign, suede, suede, and suede. This is a nice shoe. This is nice quality. I wouldn't say this is quite senior citizen leather, but the leather is pretty soft. Right here you got a green hit. It's also suede. Come around the inside, more of the 3M. Green suede, brown suede. And that looks like that looks white to me, right? That doesn't, this almost looks a little bit more cream, the midsole, and this looks more white. Got that nice burgundy hit, the suede. It's not like buttery, but it's a nice suede. Now, if you look, and I don't know if you guys can see this, but around the toe box, you're getting like a 3M hit right here. Let me see if I can get like a flash on. You're getting a 3M hit. So hold on real quick. I'll try to make it so you guys can see. So I got my flashlight. I don't know if you can really see. I don't know if it's really giving you that 3M hit, but it's hitting, man. Toe box. Can't really see it, but it got a 3M hit. Got a 3M hit going around the toe box. Let me try to get as close as possible. You see that? Got that 3M hit going around the toe box. We got a nice double stitching on that nice suede. Okay, you can see a little butteriness right there. You can see the switch back and forth on the suede. I like that. Yeah, no problems, man. It's a clean shoe, man. Like I said, man, I was going for the seafoams, but this is what I came out with. I don't know if these will stay in my collection. I don't know if they'll be trade bait at one. They kind of remind me, and you know what, I'm gonna do this real quick. Normally I don't do this. They kind of remind me of the biohacks, right? Just with the different colors. Now, let me be honest. If you could put this heel on this shoe, you got a winner chicken dinner, right? But that's not, that's not possible. But I am happy with this shoe. I'm happy with the pickup. Anytime you can get a shoe for retail, go for it. For those that are collecting shoes to resell, if you can get a shoe for retail, from my experience and from the time that I've been in the sneaker game, go for the shoe. Even if you're going to use it for trade bait, it's better to get a shoe for $170 and be able to, even if they're giving you store credit $220 and there's a shoe that you actually do want, at least you got the trade bait, you know what I'm saying? So go, if you can get a shoe for retail, go for it. That's all I'm saying for the collectors. For those that are straight to feet, I'm definitely going to try these shoes on because I'm most likely going to keep them. So I'm definitely going to try them on. But let's look at the inside of this shoe before we do that. If you look at the inside liner, it's quilted. Nice touch. Nice touch. It's quilted. I like that. If we come to the laces, this is like a two-tone lace. And I'm thinking about doing it on foot. So, matter of fact, you know what? I'm just going to do it on foot about this. And then we could do a couple different lace swaps. And I can show you what these look like on feet. But I'm super happy with this pickup, man. I'm super duper happy with this pickup. It's a clean shoe. I love suede shoes. I like suede leather more than I like hard leather. So, this is definitely God, I hate to say it, but this feels like a keeper. As much as it's close to this shoe, it's not the same shoe. They're literally two different shoes. Very similar, but very, very different at the same time. So this is probably going to be a keeper, man. I'm going to try this shoe on foot. I'm going to do it on foot with the shoe. We're going to swap out the laces one time because I know you guys like that. And then we'll get back to the video and then we'll end it out there, man. Appreciate y'all. Bruh, okay, so I like this shoe a lot. After dissecting the shoe, trying it on, switching the different laces, I think this shoe is super fire, man. I like the black lace because it's super subtle. And it kind of, you know, if you want to dress down and you want to throw a nice little earth tone shoe on, that would go well. It'll also go good with some camo. And it worked pretty good with the blue jeans too, right? Black jeans, blue jeans, camo, light blue jeans. You're good, man. The white, I would probably wear the white more on an everyday basis, right? If this was your beater, this is a shoe you wanted to beat up, then I'm going with the white laces, right? The white laces are they just look good when you got this silhouette and it has the white right here, and then you got the white on the laces and the white on the toe box. The white, but the black, and I guess you would call it the black and crimson lace, I think these are dope. If you want to stand out, you're wearing camo jeans, camo pants, any type of camo, any type of brown, this really stands out, man. So all three laces are dope. The shoe is dope. I would implore you to go check this shoe out. If you can see it in hand first, you might want to do that. And I think that is it, you guys. Man, I appreciate you guys for coming into the channel. It's your boy, Bert Collins. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe button, and notification bell. It's your boy, Bert Collins. Once again, I've already tapped in. Now I'm tapping out. Peace.